The Hemingway Daiquiri was invented at the legendary bar La Floridita in Havana, Cuba, for, of course, the equally legendary writer Ernest Hemingway. Interestingly enough, Hemingway suffered from hemochromatosis, a hereditary disease he got from his father, which can manifest itself as diabetes. So, interestingly, there's no sugar in this cocktail, only a slight amount from the maraschino liqueur, but it may be a little bit too dry for you, so do exercise your right to add a dash of sugar syrup should you wish, but let's give it a try.